Hello guys, welcome back to another drone flight of Entre Legends. Today we are here in Sidcup, London Borough of Bexley in Southeast London. So without further ado, let's take off. Alright, so don't look in the sky, we're not going to hit a tree. No, we're not. So we're good. Let's just zip around this area and then let's see what's down here. Yeah, nice area here in Southeast London. Just going to quickly go up to the max height. Then we'll do a 360 photo. Seems as it's moving around in the wind a bit. It's not even that windy today though. I mean, just I think we have a gust right now. Maybe I might not, this 360 photo might not happen now. And my last drone flight, I actually done it in Watford Gap. I mean, it sounds like Watford near London, but that's nowhere near London. That's actually in the middle of the M1. All right, 360 photo is now complete. Let's just zip around this area. So we're recording, and yeah, stop screen recording because that usually tends to take up a bit of battery. Not battery, I mean FPS, frames per second. So yeah, we're here in Southeast London, London Borough of Bexley. I might go down to Bromley after this, I'll see. Or maybe go somewhere else. There's another area called Chislehurst in this area. So we're going towards Sidcup High Street, the main area of Sidcup. It's a nice area here in Southeast London.
Max altitude reached.
So I'm just going to go towards here. Nice little area to fly. It's a nice little green area to fly here, basically. Well, let's follow this red car back. Wait, I just want to see what's down here first, quickly. Alright, let's follow this red car back now. Probably come back to where we are. Yeah, nice little area to fly. It's probably not going to come our way. We'll see. Actually, it is coming our way. Drone's moving a bit slower due to wind. We're going in headwind now. We're going out in tailwind, so it's good to do that at the beginning of the flight so that we don't have problems at the end. Follow the red car back towards here. Towards this here area. It's going down towards here. Let's go to where it's sunny because it's gone cloudy in this part. Where can we go? Let's go towards here. Something about that looks amazing, where it's like half sunny, half cloudy. Let's go to where it's sunny. I don't understand, it's sunny where I am, so it's just sunny in these parts. It's just cloudy in these parts. It's a bit windy. I can see the drone getting a bit jumpy, and I think that's due to the wind. Let's go towards this area down here. And cloudy. I don't know how. Let's go down towards this area down here. So it's a bit cloudy here. I'm gonna wait for the sun to come out. We'll go to this area. let's not get baked by the sun because it's too sunny for the screen. I mean, I guess it's alright if I turn the brightness up. Yeah, it's calm. Let's go to the other area of Sidcup. It's quite a big area. There's an area down there as well. Where we're going is going to be in headwind anyway. We're going in headwind right now, so when we come back, we'll come back in tailwind. You see? This is the main area of Sidcup. Let's just go down towards here. The drone's moving a bit jumpy, you know. There's a nice little building here. We'll just go up to here and that's it, because we don't know how the wind's gonna pan out. I'll see if I do a second drone flight. I might not do a second drone flight. I might just do it in what's it called? Bromley. And go down towards this area instead. It's a nice little neighbourhood here, area, as you can see. I wanted to get a shot of this area, but you know, it's a bit windy. So what else is down here? We've got the high street down there. We've got super loops. That's why I actually came from the super loop. Yeah, they're quite fast, and the good thing is that most of them are electric, so you don't get these jumpy vibrations in the bus. That makes everything vibrate, which is kind of annoying on these buses that have an engine in it. Not only it vibrates too much, it creates heat, and if you're sitting in there on a hot day, you're literally cooking yourself. It's like an oven, because literally the sun from outside's cooking the bus, and then it's being heated anyway. It's basically a heater anyway. So I could see the drone being a bit jumpy here due to the wind, and look how we're actually moving slowly. I think it's crosswind. It's not. I thought I was going in headwind, but I wasn't. I don't know if I do a second drone flight. I'll see. Because it's not even that windy today. I think it's just a gust. Alright, we'll just stay still for this gust, because I'm gonna let it subside. Because if we keep moving, we're gonna use more battery. So I'm just gonna keep the drone still. I'm not gonna move it. And I'm gonna let this gust get this gust over with, and then we'll just move again. Come on, how long is this gust lasting? I might just move anyway. Let's go towards the town centre. Here's the town centre. I think the town centre was there because the station's near there. Wherever the station is, that's where the town centre tends to be, but I feel like this is the town centre. Yeah, it's moving very slow. I'm going to move this way so we get a nice shot of the area. The question is, should I do a second drone flight today? We've been down here, haven't we? let's just come back to where we are. What the flip, bruv. It's moving a bit slower. The good thing is that we're going the same speed as the car, but it's just, we're just getting a low, we're going to have a low battery really quickly. So I'm just going to stay local here, get a shot of this junction area. Should we go down towards here? Let's go down towards here, innit? See a different area. What's down here? Should we go a little bit down towards this area down here? Actually, what we'll do, there might be crosswinds and I don't even know where it's going to be, so I'm just going to be careful. We don't want to have problems coming back. Let's get a shot of this little quartz over here. Looks amazing, isn't it? Nice little shot. Only problem is today I didn't wear my sunscreen. I completely forgot. Good thing it's a bit cooler today. Today is a bit cooler. That's exactly why I'm flying today, because there's going to be another heat wave in this next week. Because it's a bit windy. That's why it's a bit cooler today. There are days where I haven't flown my drone because of the heat wave. But when I fly in the heat wave, I usually take caution anyway. I usually stand in the shade when I fly my drone. Well, I'm just gonna come back and we're just gonna stay in this area because we don't know when the wind's gonna strike again. We don't have problems. Let's get a shot of this area down here. Sunny shot while I'm in the clouds. We're not literally not far from each other. And where I'm getting a shot of is sunny, and I'm standing in the shade because of the clouds. The clouds are very diverse today. Should go towards this area. Let's go towards this area. We won't go as far though, because this wind, you can't predict it. Yeah, it's gone a bit cloudy now. See that? See the gimbal move like that? That means it's too windy. It's moving a bit mad when that happens, can't lie. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go back towards this area down here. Let's go to a different area. I'm going to walk down towards here. I'll get a shot of this side. There's a green area. I was thinking of taking off from there, but there's a lot of trees in the area. Plus I'm right next to the station anyway here. I might do a second drone flight in Bromley. I've got my other battery charged already, so might as well do it. Or maybe Chislehurst. I might not go as far as Bromley because I might get later in the day anyway. Let's get a shot of this area. Plus it's a bit windy as well. See, the wind's stopped now. I mean, it's not that windy, it's just literally like only max 16 mile an hour gust, but most of the time it's 9 miles an hour, which is absolutely nothing for the drone. But it's just that I'm unfortunately flying in a gust. Let's get a shot of this area down here. I think what we'll do, we'll just come back now towards where we are. We're right next to the Morrisons. Let's get a shot through here. Sun's disappearing. We'll still get a nice shot. It's crazy, like being in the shade when it's cloudy and seeing a sunny shot at the same time. It's almost like I'm watching a video instead of me actually being in the sun. Let's get a shot of this area down here. I think it's the perfect time to land it because the clouds come.
Battery level is low. Aircraft will return to the home point in 10
I wanted to carry on getting a sunny shot, but I've got to land it. Plus the sun's coming back from the other side anyway. We haven't got a shot of Morrisons yet, have we? Where we are. Let's get a nice top-down shot of the Morrisons car park. Look at that. That looks sick.
Return home promptly.
What we'll do, we'll descend now. As we descend, we'll just do it off the car park. And then we'll just come back towards here, towards this area down here. This is where I'm flying from. There's a little house down here as well. It's near the park, isn't it, this area? Anyway, we're gonna land it now, right here. Let's land it quickly. Let's not make the mistake last time when we keep it in sports mode. See, look, it'll keep going down if we keep pressing it. But if I do it in normal mode, let's do it in normal mode. I'm going to bring it back in normal mode. If I keep pressing down, it will just eventually like, look, I'm doing it in normal mode. And it slows down. See that? Anyway, we're just going to land it now here. Anyway, this is my drone flight here in Southeast London. I hope you enjoyed this amazing drone flight in London Borough of Bexley. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll speak to you in the next one. Thank you for watching.